Okay, so I see there's still a little bit of high spot here and a couple of pinholes here. So I'm gonna just try to sand it down a wee bit. So I patch it up a little bit with a bondo here, just to fill up the pinhole. That's it. I'm done. Wait for it to dry and then repaint it. Okay, so I think I've removed enough of the high spot that is over here and over here. So I think it's gonna be okay. I just use a sanding block. This is 2000 wet sandpaper, and I am going to use this automotive spray paint, Toyota 1D6. This is the Silver Sky metallic base coat, and then after I sprayed on a few coat, I'm going to use this clear coat. Okay, it's a little windy, but I think it should be okay. Okay, paint is coming out. Just remember to wear a respirator of some kind. Too windy. Okay, I'm gonna come back maybe like 15 minutes later and do another coat. Okay, I just finished spray painting the clear coat on the repair. I put maybe like 3 or 4 base coat, Silver Sky metallic, coarse, and I dry sanded it, and then I used 2000, and then wet sanded it with the 2000. It is this spot here and here, so I think it is a passable job. It is absolutely not a professional job, but then I'm not spending several $100s on it. The base coat and the clear coat is about $45. Initially I bought like a bottle of these touch-up paint, and they didn't work too well. They look like a job that you would do yourself, which is not very good. You can see a slight trace of the masking tape here. When the paint is all dry, I'm gonna just buff out the glue or whatever residue is left on the bumper here. What makes this job tough is the bumper itself is actually covered with a clear vinyl coating. It is about maybe like 0.15 millimeter to 0.2 millimeter thick. It's actually pretty thick. The coating was the wrap actually was put on the car as an option. They charged like $500. It's on top of the hood and the bumper. So this makes the repair of the scratch a little problematic, because you are putting bondo on the bumper, and also on a little bit of the bondo on the clear vinyl covering. So it's not a conventional repair job. I wouldn't know how much a body shop would charge for it, maybe several $100s. So maybe for about $50, the job is done.